is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so on this one we're gonna get back to work on the Tahoe, and as you can see there's a whole mess in here. So oh shit, I think what I had done last time was pull the intake so I could pull the transmission. And well, transmission sold already, so we're gonna try to sell the motor now because we're running out of money here for the projects. So guys, yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So and I'm gonna show y'all how to wire it so y'all can use it for like a LS swap with this harness right here. So what I'm gonna do first, guys, is pull all the harness, well, the old harness from the motor, because I got the other one, and hopefully it works. Because, well, I mean, as you can see, oh, that's why I didn't want to start. Look at that. There's a whole bunch of cut wires, guys, and those come to the computer. So guys, let me go ahead and get all this sorted out. I'm gonna pull the harness, all the well, yeah, everything. Gonna get the motor down to the motor itself, and yeah, so let me get to it, guys, and I'll show you, well, I'll show y'all the grounds and whatnot. So yeah, let me get to it. All right guys, so the harness is out. I figured instead of showing y'all in the truck, I just laid it out here for y'all. So looking at it, this is like the front of the truck, and this right here is what goes under the crank pulley. So these right here are gonna be your the sensors on the side of the block. I think it's the crank, and this one I don't know what it is, and this one's for your starter, the little 8mm for your starter. This one right here, that's your 13mm for the big stud on the starter. Right here, your ground to the battery, and these two go to the side of the block. And this one I think is your coolant temp sensor. Obviously, this goes to the back of your alternator. This one just broke off from the where the fuse box goes. And making our way over here, I believe these go on the intake manifold. I'm not sure what they're for. These are your injectors right here. That's your coil pack harness. This is for the knock sensors, and obviously this is the other side for the injectors, the coil pack. That's for your AC, and this for your MAF sensor. So it's not too hard, but you know, just be careful, because some I don't even know what they're for, but at least I know kind of where they go plugged in. So on the back you'll have this ground right here and this ground right here. They go on the studs on the back. This one goes close to the oil pressure sensor, I think, and this one just goes on the block right where the cable for the that goes attached to the firewall on the truck. That's where this one goes, I think. They're attached. I'll show y'all. I might as well show it right now. So it goes back here, because this one goes with that one too. So both of them are attached to the block, and the other one is that stud right there. This, not the stud, the screw right there. And I think that's pretty much all there is. Right now I'm gonna get the compressor and blow off the heads, make sure there's no trash in there, and we're gonna get ready to put the other harness on it and see if we can fire it up, so we can take a video and hopefully we can sell it. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and get the compressor, the air hose, and we're gonna start blowing all the trash off. All right, so we got everything blown out. Got some paper towels, make sure nothing else goes back in there, and got the new harness ready to go. And I laid it out kind of the same. This goes under the crank pulley. Those are your injectors, coil pack connector as well, same over here for the driver's side, and that goes over the intake manifold, so that doesn't really, I think that goes plugged into the sensor in the back. And we got our grounds right there, got the one for the passenger side, the one for the driver's side right there. And what I'm gonna do is just throw it on top and then just route the wires where they're supposed to go. And this one's not all cut up. As you can see, this one has the cable, the harness for the O2 sensors in the bottom, the plugs for the transmission, and as well as the O2 sensors. So yeah, this is pretty much like the whole complete harness. That one I cut up because, I mean, it was messed up either way. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do right now, just lay it on top, route the wires, and hopefully we'll have a running motor in about an hour or so. So wish me luck. So let's get started. Alrighty, so got the harness laid over. So you can see this right here, that's for the transmission. Got the coil plug already in there. Ran the those are for the AC. These are for the cats. Oh man, that's for the alternator. Let's see, this is for the, I think this is the throttle body right there. The MAF right here. So basically got the important parts, got the oil right there, got that sensor, I don't know what that is. And those are the NOx sensors. These go up here, but they're gonna go latched, I think, on this one right there. And that's the intake manifold, not the good one, not the broken one. So now here comes the hard part, getting this in there, because I don't know if it's gonna hit the top of the firewall, and I really don't want any trash falling down into the ports right there. So gotta do it as careful as I can. So I'm gonna do this off camera, guys. Again, wish me luck, and I'll show y'all once it's in there. Well guys, that hour sounded really good in my head, but unfortunately we cannot get it on. Everything's pretty much wired. Still gotta do a few connectors, you can see, hopefully. The two sensors in the bottom are good. The injectors are plugged in, ready to go. But I lost one of the nuts for the starter, which is the only reason I will not be able to start it today. When I took it off from that one, I was like a thread until it was all the way off, and then the starter kind of fell, so the nut just flew away. And I mean, I can't find it down there. Got this one, and I do have the one from the other truck So I'm gonna get it right now that we're gonna go over there. So guys, another day, and not started yet, but it will be. So stay tuned. Well, I mean, it's gonna be in the same video, so I have to wait. So yeah guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, what's up guys? Next day, and we got the nut. So now what I'm gonna do is crawl down there, put the starter on, bolt it down, and we're gonna try to get some power to this. Hopefully it's not too difficult, and we're gonna hook up a battery to it, and hopefully we'll have a running 5.3 guys. So let me go ahead and crawl down there, put the starter on, and we'll get all this situated guys. So let's go. All right guys, well, ahí está, ya listo. I got the tach module, I got the pedal out, got the starter wired in, got the fuse box wired in too. It's just this pink wire right here. I don't know if you see it. I think it's like a number 10, 9 or 10 on the white side. On the from that orange one, you get the green one that's in the middle. It's before that one. Let me see if I can get a better shot of it. But there it is. That pink one is like 4 from the bottom. I just can't tell what number it is. And you're just gonna put it over here in your 12 volt. And look at this. That's your throttle body. And that, looking at it like this, that's how your fuse box should be. That's the relay for your starter, and all you're gonna do is this, and there we go guys. Easy as that. Well, not easy, I had a whole fucking process, but I don't know if y'all can hear Kevin over there. But yeah guys, this is, I mean, it doesn't have any gas, but that's pretty much it. I try to do the fuel pump from here, but it just wouldn't fire. So what I'm gonna do, so I can show you a little bit more, is pour a little bit of gas in the throttle body, and hopefully I can show y'all it running a little bit longer. So I got my gallon right there, so let me put some in there. All right guys, never mind, I'm gonna just put you on the tripod. Hopefully the mic can pick me up. Let's hope we don't catch on fire. Alright, so a little bit of a fail, guys. I think. Let's see. should work now. Hopefully. And what I'm doing right now is just putting that wire back on the positive hookup right here. Watch out here, there is the starter, because I don't know if it's bolted on correctly. I was really trying to get the pump to feed it, but it can't. Well, there we go, guys. Hopefully it came up good on the phone, but that's pretty much how it is. As you can see, still the throttle response. It's really loud though, because I mean I cut off the cats, but there it is, guys, ready for its buyer, or whatever it's gonna go into, at last swap, or I don't know, whatever. But it's ready, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple videos of it and put it up for sale. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for more nonsense like this. So yeah, guys, catch y'all on the next one. Peace.